Hello guys, I am sure all of you are leading a very happy, purposeful life. See, today it is our 254th video, and from this video onwards we will be seeing more and more about something called Reiki. R-E-I-K-I, Reiki. Many of you would have heard about it. Actually, it is a Japanese word because Reiki has its origin in Japan. Okay? And what is the meaning of Reiki? You see, we know about our physical body. We know about our mental body. We have already learnt about all the 5 koshas. So, where we are talking about the Annamaya kosha or the physical body, the mind or the Manomaya kosha, and then the energy body or the Pranamaya kosha. Okay, now here these 3 things are interconnected. Then, see, there is something called holistic therapy. What do you mean by holistic therapy? That is treating all together, putting everything together. What does it mean? That is, you treat your physical body, treat your mental body, and treat your pranic body all put together. These 3 are not 3 different entities. They are interconnected. And as we have seen in chakra healing, in those videos, I have explained very clearly, if something goes wrong in the pranic body, it gets reflected in the mental body and the physical body. Or if something goes wrong in the physical body, it is getting reflected in the mental and the pranic body. Isn't it? And here, by holistic therapy, what we mean is treating your physical body, your mental body, and the soul. See, we have a soul, Jivatma, Atma, or in English they call it soul. In India we call it Atma, or in English they call it spirit. So whether you call it Atma or soul or spirit, all the 3 refer to the same. So the holistic approach is something which treats the physical body, the mental body, and the soul. And see, when it comes to the treatment of all the 3, you just imagine the physical body alone. Now, if I say that our physical body is the most sophisticated machine which has been created by our Creator, will there be a difference in opinion? There can't be. There can't be. You just think of your machine. Sorry, you think of your body. You take it as a machine. You think of your body. How many reactions are going on inside the body? Just think of your mind. How many thoughts are coming and going? Now, see, we are in the time period where we have reached the latest technology era. Of course, this is not the end of it. We know every day there is explosion of knowledge. There is so many new things coming in the technological world, and we are also enjoying it. But when it comes to our body, physical body and the mental body, or when it comes to a human being, can there be a better machine than this? And who is the maker of this machine? None other than the Creator. isn't it? Just take 10 minutes. Think about the things that are going on in your mind. Just pause for 5 minutes. Think of the reactions that are taking place in our body. So perfectly aligned. Isn't it? Now, what is the driving force which makes our body the most sophisticated machine? The driving force is known as the life force, which in India we call it the prana. Which we call it prana. In Japan, this prana is referred to as ki, K-I, ki. And in Chinese, it is referred as the chi, C-H-I, chi. So, when you take the word Reiki, it is R-E-I-K-I. So, now we know what is ki. Ki is nothing but the life force, which is the driving force behind all our activities. Then what is a ray? R-E-I. This ray is nothing but the universal energy, the cosmic energy, or the Vishwa Shakti. So, in Japanese language, the word R-E-I-K-I, Reiki, it means the universal energy and the life energy, making use of the universal energy to set right the life energy in the best possible way. That is the meaning of the word Reiki. And as you know, it's a Japanese word because there were many modalities of healing in olden days. And one of the methods is this Reiki healing. You might have heard about it. Okay, so that is what we are going to study in all the videos that are going to be published for some time. So we will learn more and more about this. Now we have learned the meaning of the word Reiki. In future, in the videos to come, we will learn more about this special healing Shakti or the energy. Okay, I hope you understood this. Even if you don't understand, leave it. When you will listen to some more of my videos, you will understand it. Okay, stay tuned. May God bless you.